Have you ever pondered what lies beyond the boundary of the universe? It's a question that teases the mind, driven by our innate human curiosity to explore and comprehend the unfathomable. This unrestrained yearning for knowledge compels us to push against the frontiers of the known cosmos. Today, we will embark on an intellectual journey, a cosmic voyage that will take us to the very edge of the universe and dare to peer into the mysteries that may exist beyond. Prepare to embark on a cosmic voyage to the universe's edge and explore what may lie beyond. Before venturing beyond, one must first understand the universe itself. Our universe, in simple terms, is everything we can touch, feel, sense, measure, or detect. It includes living things, planets, stars, galaxies, dust clouds, light, and even time itself. It's a massive space filled with a seemingly infinite number of celestial bodies. The vastness of the universe is mind-boggling. It's so big that even light hasn't had time to cross it in nearly 14 billion years, and it's continually expanding. Every single second, the universe grows by a staggering amount. This sprawling expanse is home to billions of galaxies. Galaxies are like cosmic islands, each teeming with billions, sometimes trillions of stars. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one among this vast cosmic sea. And within these galaxies, stars are born, live out their lives, and die. Some in spectacular supernova explosions that create the elements necessary for planets and life. As for the shape and size of the universe, there are several theories. One is the flat universe theory, suggesting that the universe is not curved but extends infinitely in all directions, like an endless sheet of paper. This theory is supported by observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Another theory is the infinite universe theory. It proposes that the universe in its entirety is infinite. It's a concept that's hard to grasp because it implies that the universe has no edge, no boundary, and no center. It simply goes on forever. The universe we live in is a remarkable place, filled with an array of celestial bodies and governed by laws of physics that we're still trying to fully understand. And as we gaze into the sky, we're only seeing a tiny fraction of this vast cosmic arena. With this understanding of our universe, the journey to its boundary begins. Approaching the boundary of the universe, what does one encounter? A question that has been tickling the minds of scientists and astronomers for decades. Well, the universe doesn't have a boundary in the traditional sense. Rather, there's a limit to what we can observe, a cosmic horizon beyond which light hasn't had time to reach us since the Big Bang. This is often referred to as the observable universe. Now, imagine a backdrop to the stars and galaxies we see. This backdrop is the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. It's like the afterglow of a grand cosmic firework, the Big Bang itself. The CMB is a snapshot of the universe at a tender age of about 400,000 years. Before this time, the universe was a hot, dense soup of particles that scattered light like a fog. As it expanded and cooled, protons and electrons combined to form neutral hydrogen, a transparent gas, allowing light to travel freely for the first time. This light is the CMB we detect today. The CMB marks the boundary of the observable universe. It's the furthest back in time we can see, a baby picture of the universe. But what is this boundary? It's not a physical wall or edge. Think of it more as a shell around us from which we receive the oldest light. So, what does this boundary mean? The universe beyond the CMB is not necessarily non-existent, just unobservable. We simply don't know what lies beyond because the light hasn't reached us yet. However, theories abound. Some suggest an infinite universe that goes on forever. Others propose a multiverse, a collection of universes each with its own laws of physics. Yet these are conjectures, educated guesses at best. Now, having reached the edge, dare to step beyond. Crossing the boundary, what might exist in the vast unknown? Imagine, if you will, a cosmic Rubicon, a boundary beyond which lies the uncharted territories of existence. This is the arena where theories, conjectures, and hypotheses run wild, painting a picture of reality as strange as it is fascinating. Let's start with a concept that has gained substantial traction over the years: the multiverse theory. It proposes that our universe might not be alone. Instead, it could be just one of an unimaginably large number of universes, each with its own laws of physics, dimensions, and even versions of reality. These universes might be parallel to ours, existing in the same space but vibrating at different frequencies, much like different radio stations operating on the same airwaves. Or, they could be entirely separate, nestled within higher dimensions that our three-dimensional brains struggle to comprehend. Speaking of dimensions, what if they extend beyond the three spatial ones and the temporal one we're familiar with? String theory. a leading candidate for the theory of everything, suggests that there might be as many as 11 dimensions. These extra dimensions, beyond our perception, could hold the keys to understanding the fundamental nature of reality itself. Now, let's get a little more speculative. Some theories suggest that beyond our universe lies an infinite expanse of what's called the quantum foam, a seething cauldron of energy from which universes bubble up and vanish in a blink of an eye. This is a mind-boggling idea, suggesting that our universe might be just a temporary blip in an eternal cosmic dance. Here's where we hit a snag. Our understanding of what lies beyond the universe is limited by our ability to observe and measure it. The edge of the observable universe, roughly 93 billion light-years away, is as far as we can see. Beyond that, light hasn't had enough time to reach us since the universe's birth around 13.8 billion years ago. This cosmic horizon is our boundary, beyond which we're currently blind. Exploring beyond the universe poses immense challenges. We're constrained by the speed of light, the laws of physics, and the limitations of our technology, but perhaps the biggest challenge is conceptual. We're trying to comprehend realities that might operate under entirely different rules, using a language and a mindset shaped by our own universe's laws. Though the journey may raise more questions than it answers, the pursuit of knowledge continues. The quest to understand what lies beyond the universe's boundary is more than just scientific curiosity. It's a testament to our species' insatiable desire to explore the unknown, to push the boundaries of our understanding, and to grapple with our place in the grand scheme of existence. Returning from the journey, what have we uncovered? Our voyage beyond the celestial sphere has taken us to the very edge of understanding, where we've grappled with concepts both awe-inspiring and humbling. We've navigated through the vastness of the universe, explored the concept of its boundary, and dared to imagine what might exist beyond. In our quest for knowledge, we've revisited the fundamentals of the universe, the cosmic stage upon which all matter, energy, space, and time perform their intricate dance. We've delved into the mystery of dark matter, the invisible puppeteer that shapes the universe's structure. We've marveled at the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, whispering stories of the universe's infancy. We've then journeyed to the universe's boundary, a concept that both challenges and expands our understanding. We've pondered if the universe is finite or infinite, if it ends with a bang or a whimper, if it loops back onto itself or stretches out into infinity. The universe's boundary, we've learned, is not a wall or a barrier, but a frontier of knowledge, an interface between the known and the unknown. And what of beyond? Here we've dared to imagine, to theorize, and to dream. We've entertained notions of multiverses, of parallel realities where the laws of physics might be radically different. We've contemplated the existence of cosmic strings, hypothetical one-dimensional defects in space-time. Throughout this journey, we've highlighted the importance of exploration and curiosity. They are the twin engines powering humanity's celestial voyage, the compass guiding us through the cosmic ocean. Curiosity nudges us to question, to probe, to wonder. Exploration compels us to venture forth, to seek, to discover. Together, they propel us forward, pushing the boundaries of our understanding, expanding the frontiers of our knowledge. And so, as we return from our journey, we find that we've not only learned about the universe and its mysteries, but also about ourselves. We've realized that our thirst for understanding is boundless, our capacity for wonder limitless, and our potential for discovery infinite. Even as the journey ends, remember that each end is a new beginning, and the cosmos awaits the next daring explorer.